You don't need a large space to grow grapes. With the right approach, you can produce a lot of grapes in a small urban farm, backyard, or rooftop garden. Many people fail because they choose the wrong varieties, plant incorrectly, or don't prune properly. I'll show you how to grow high-yield grapevines in the city, step by step. No wasted space, no wasted time. Step 1. Choose the right grape variety. Not all grapes survive in urban conditions. Look for varieties that are compact, productive, and disease-resistant. Here are some great options. Reliance, red, seedless, and sweet, perfect for eating fresh. Niagara, white, juicy, and a strong grower, ideal for juice and jelly. Concord, classic purple, hardy, great for juice, wine, or fresh eating. Himrod, green and seedless, thrives in small spaces with high yields. If you're interested in wine, consider Riesling or Cabernet Franc, but these require more care. Step 2. Pick the best growing spot. Grapes need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. If your area is shaded, your vines may struggle. Here's how to find the best spot. South-facing walls or fences get the most sun. Rooftops are good but require careful watering. Raised beds improve drainage and prevent root rot. Avoid low-lying areas where cold air can collect. Step 3. Set up your trellis system. Many beginners fail here. Grapevines must be trained properly, otherwise they can become tangled and produce less fruit. Use one of these trellis systems. Wire trellis, 2 horizontal wires about 3 to 4 feet off the ground. Fence or wall trellis, attach vines to a fence or wooden trellis. Archway or pergola, maximizes vertical space but needs more pruning. As the vines grow, tie them loosely to the trellis. Avoid letting them sprawl on the ground. Step 4. Soil preparation and planting. Grapes dislike wet roots. Good drainage is crucial. Heavy clay soil can harm your vines. Here's a good mix. 50% garden soil plus 25% sand, 25% compost. Add bone meal or rock phosphate for better root growth. Dig a hole at least 12 inches deep. Place the vine so the graft union is just above the soil line. Fill with loose soil and water deeply. Lightly mulch, but don't pile it against the vine base. Watering and feeding. Avoid overwatering or over-fertilizing. Water deeply once a week and let the soil dry slightly. Stop watering by late summer to prepare for winter. Use organic compost or slow-release fertilizer in early spring. Step 6, the most important rule, pruning. Most people fail here. Grapevines produce fruit on 1-year-old wood. If you don't prune, your vines will grow large but yield few grapes. In the first year, train the main vine and remove weak branches. 2. Every winter, prune back at least 80% of last year's growth. Leave only 4 to 6 fruiting canes per plant. Summer pruning helps improve airflow and sun exposure. Step 7. Protecting against pests and diseases. Urban areas can trap humidity, leading to fungal infections. Here's how to prevent issues. Space vines properly and prune for airflow. Spray with neem oil or organic sulfur in spring. Companion plant with thyme or clover to repel pests. Net the vines before ripening to protect from birds and squirrels. Step 8. Harvesting your grapes. If you followed these steps, your vines will start producing in year 2 with full production by year 3 or 4. Here's how to tell when they're ready. Color deepens fully. Taste test for sweetness. Check for softening. Hard grapes aren't ready. Harvest by cutting entire clusters, not individual grapes. With proper care, you'll enjoy fresh grapes for decades. Final thoughts. Why urban farmers should grow grapes. Grapes are rewarding for urban farming because they maximize vertical space, are long-term producers, lasting over 30 years, require low maintenance once established, have high value for eating, selling, or winemaking. If you thought grapes were too hard to grow in the city, now you know better. Start now.